Introducing Testament Commercial Cleaning Services, your go-to solution for a sparkling clean environment in Auckland. Are you moving in or out and need a thorough clean? Our Move Out, Move In Clean service ensures your space is spotless and ready for new beginnings. Love your outdoors? We offer lawn mowing and gardening services to keep your surroundings looking beautiful. In these challenging times, safety is a priority. Trust our fogging and sanitization service to keep your environment clean and safe. For businesses, we provide top-notch commercial cleaning, ensuring a pristine workplace that reflects professionalism. Need a clutter-free space? Our rubbish removal service ensures a clean and tidy area. And for those tough stains, our commercial carpet cleaning service restores the beauty of your carpets. Revitalize your home with our water blasting and house wash service, leaving it looking brand new. Testament Commercial Cleaning Services, where excellence meets cleanliness. Contact us today and experience the transformation.